Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to film a very quick sticker haul with you, first one for September 2024. It is raining where I am. Thunderstorms have just started, so I apologize for the lighting, but I've got my little light on above, so hopefully you can see everything and we can just get into it. So the first shop I'm going to showcase is Carly Plans. She recently had a birthday sale, so I took full advantage of that. So the first thing I got was this Coffee Mate creamer. I use Coffee Mate creamer every single day. I don't use this original one, but my favorite is the peppermint mocha. I drink peppermint mochas year round because I'm a weirdo, but they do have superior, I think they're better than International Coffee House. That's just me. So this one, I got the printable. All of these are printables. So this is the original, the neutral, the brights, and the pastels. I think they look super cute, and I like that they're colorways. I can definitely use all of them. This one is like perfect for like pumpkin spice. The red is perfect for peppermint mocha. So that's, I'll move this to the side for a second. Okay, then we have cinnamon rolls version 2. These were super cute. I don't make cinnamon rolls very often, but my husband and I eat them a lot because they're very good, and Publix has really good baked versions. So I think that if there is like color variation here, it's very subtle. Like these are the brights, and then these are the pastels. So like you really can't tell the difference if I'm being totally honest. Next up we have goldfish crackers. Oh my gosh. Beloved by preschool kids and me and my husband. The detail on these is just incredible. Like it's really good. So I have the regular ones. These look like the pastels. Oh no, I'm sorry. These are the neutrals, the brights, and the pastels. Then we have cute sneakers. I thought these would be really fun to mark like going for walks. So I did give some of these to friends. Like I printed ones, and then the extra ones I gave to friends. So if there are only 2 of certain ones, like that's why. They always come with 4. But I just thought these were super cute. So there's the regular and the brights. Then I thought these would be a really fun way to mark different birthdays. So this is the original birthday balloons, the neutral birthday balloons, the brights, and the pastels. All of these are really, really cute, and I think would go well with any spread. Next, I had to get something for laundry because I'm literally running out of laundry stickers, and I thought this basket looked super cute. So this is the original. Then you have the pastels. Maybe these are the pastels. Yeah, pastels, the brights, and the neutrals. And then this one was really cute. I don't live with my family, so I call my family a lot, and I thought this would be a really cute way to mark different phone calls and FaceTimes. You can use it for both. So I had those printed. Then I got sandwich. I thought this would be good for like reminders to pack my lunch, or like even as deco for meal planning in my bullet journal. And then this one is number balloons. This is so cute. I really love that you can do like black or pink. So you can celebrate lots of different things, birthdays, anniversaries, things like that. So I did get, the number balloons don't change color, so they just look like this. So I got 4 of the same color. So that was my Carly Plans. They all came out super, super cute. I can show you actually. So I showed you these already, so this is like not new if you saw the other plan with me. But these were the Spooktober ones. I hadn't like cut them yet, but so this is Spooktober Classic Spooky Cat, and Oh, spooky foods and egg breakfast. So I got all of those together as well. Okay, so that does it for the character stickers. Now, Jessica Hartz was doing a very special promotion. This was on the 21st. I'm on her email list, and she announced that she was doing a like de-stash of all of her stuff because they're moving. And so she had an offer where for $5 you could get full-sized kits at random. And I think there was a limit of 6 per person, and I just got 4 of them. So I got like the bigger size kit that she offers, and I didn't know what I was going to get. But I got 4 because $20, think about this, she sells these kits at retail for $18 per kit for the full size. So I figured it's like a buy one, get 3 for free type thing. But I didn't know what I was going to get. So this is the journaling card that came with the kit. It's super pretty. It says Winter Wonderland. I think, you know, she pulled the journaling cards at random because clearly it's not winter, but this is pretty. Okay, so let's get into it. The first kit was actually a kit that I really, really wanted for a long time, and it's called Fairy Forest. I know she had updated this kit a while back, so I'm not sure like which version of this kit, if this is like the newest version. I never buy full sizes of her kits because the minis usually sufficed for me for the way I was planning. But so anyway, this one is called Fairy Forest. This one came with full checklists. And then look at that washi. Oh wait, hold on. It's sort of stuck. Okay, so we have some functionals, some glitter headers. I love this washi. This is so pretty. And then these are the full boxes. So I don't think this is the older version because I think the newer version had a fox, but this is super pretty. It's just, I love it. And then we have these cute date covers, this cute deco here. So that is Fairy Forest. Oh my gosh. Now let's see if I can get it back in without damaging the other stickers. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm so cool. I did it. I did it. Excuse me. Okay, next we have Silver Bells. This is really pretty. I can't remember what the art for this kit looks like, so I haven't looked at these at all. So this is like a true reveal for me. I love this winter citrus. Oh, that looks really pretty. So we've got a winter neutral thing happening here. These are very snowy. I wonder if this is like a Christmas kit or like an early winter type kit. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm really loving the washi there. Oh my gosh, this is so precious. I don't remember this art at all. So this must be like fairly older because I've only been shopping from Jessica Hartz for like the last maybe 2 years. So if this came out recently, like I must have missed it, but this is so cute. So with this box, it's very Christmassy, but I almost feel like you could use this like as a transition from Christmas, like a New Year's kit maybe. This is really pretty. Yeah. So this might be the kit I use for that interval between Christmas and New Year's. You know, usually I use a Christmas kit just because I love Christmas and I'm not really into New Year's. Like I think New Year's is kind of like crazy. Okay. So we have Fairy Forest, Silver Bells. Next up is the Spring Chateau. So this is really pretty. I'm noticing now that all the weekend banners have different fonts. So that one's like more medieval looking. So let's go ahead and take a look. Sorry, it got really dark outside. Okay, so we have the Spring Chateau. So this is a different paper. This is a matte. I think these were like glossy. So let's see. All right, we have some very pretty spring backgrounds here, a little repetitive, but that's okay. We've got some pretty peachy pinks and light blues. Oh, I love this. This is very like, this is evoking for me like a Marie Antoinette, Sofia Coppola style. So I like that a lot. Let's see. Up, okay. So it says, elegance never goes out of style. So this is very pretty. This is like, I would say this reminds me of like really, really early on. Planner kits did not have as many themes. It was very repetitive, and I feel like that's kind of what this is. But this is very pretty. Like it's kind of, I would, you could use this if like you were going to watch Bridgerton again or something. Like I feel like it evokes that Regency style or that Austen style. So this is very pretty. And this is definitely one of her older ones because oh, come on, I was doing so well. Why won't you go in? There we go. Okay, so that's Spring Chateau. I didn't do as good of a job closing that one. And then this one, I'm really, really excited. This one is iconic. So, okay, this is a New York themed kit, and I didn't ever get it, even though I'm from New York and I go to New York a lot. I didn't get it because there were aspects of this kit that I was like, well, I'm not really like a fashion girly from New York. I'm like, I'm from New York and I don't have money. So, yeah, anyway. So, but this looks like parts of Brooklyn Heights that I know, yellow taxi cabs. So like, this is gorgeous. Okay. So we've got fun croissants and coffee. Sorry, it's getting stuck. Okay, this is a matte kit. So these were both glossy and these are both matte. Really pretty color scheme here. Oh, I love this. This is so great. This actually looks like the view that my friend has from her apartment. Okay, so look at this art. This art is gorgeous. This is definitely, this could be Brooklyn Heights or the Upper West Side maybe. She looks like Joan Didion, even though I don't think Joan would really wear that outfit. The mat is really great. This is a great kit. This is the only full box that I'm like not crazy about, but honestly, that's fine. And I could use that. That is definitely Brooklyn, I think. This is really, really cute. So yeah, I will definitely be using this maybe the next time I go visit New York. And I visit New York a lot because my family lives there, my friends live there. So yeah, that was it. Those were the 4 kits that I got. All of those kits together cost $20, which I feel like is a steal when you're talking about, I'm trying to arrange it so that you can see everything. But you can't really because there's too much stuff. Anyway, yeah. So all in all, like, this is a really great haul, and thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next plan with me. It will be coming up shortly. I also am going to do a bullet journal setup spread. That should be coming really, really soon. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. But anyway, thanks so much. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, I never ask people to do this, but if you are interested, if you've been watching my content for a while, I would love for you to join. So thanks so much and take care. Bye.